welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review MYSTI-BOX from Fashitude. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But first of all, let me tell you that this is a jewelry subscription box. The price for a monthly subscription is ₹499, but don't worry, I have a coupon code by which you can save 5%. So the coupon code is RITU5. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this in the description box. And one more thing, they have COD option as well. So you can buy this box through COD as well, but you have to pay ₹60 extra for that. And yes, I will be mentioning the buy link and everything in the description box. So now let's see what all it has. So first, I'll start with this beautiful neck piece, and it's so pretty, so colorful. I just love it. It's really pretty. You can just see the color. So it has this green, bluish, purplish kind of shade. So yes, very colorful, very pretty. You can just see it's looking so pretty. So let me just tie this up. This is the look. You can just see it's looking so pretty. I have some neck pieces in the same design, but this color is different. And this is a choker with some tassel style. So yes, I'm liking it. It's looking really pretty, and the color is the best part. So yes, super happy with this one, and you can see pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. Next one is a pair of earrings, but for that I have to remove this. So just give me one moment. Okay. So next are these pretty, very different style peacock earrings, and let me just show you. So these are the earrings. You can just see. Okay, these are the earrings. This way actually. And these are like, you can just see the design is something like this. So these are moving like this. Let me just wear it and show you the look. So this is the look. You can just see. Wow, pretty. And the color, you can see it's silver, like oxidized silver. So they will go with everything. And for Indians, they are just perfect. Super pretty. The design and everything is quite nice. Wow, so happy with this one. This is the second pair of the jewelry. Now let's move on to the third one. And these are again very pretty. It's just perfect for a party look. And just have a look. Very different design. I love it. And you can just see this is like really pretty. So rose gold kind of a color with some black and grayish or brownish kind of shade here. Let me just wear one and show you the look. So, wow, you can just see it's looking so pretty. So happy with this one, and this is perfect for a party look. So really happy with this one. Now let's move on to the neck piece, and it is a neck piece with a matching pair of earrings as well. So this is the neck piece, and these are the pearl earrings here. Let me just wear the earring and the neck piece. Look, you can just see it's a pearl neck piece, and it has 3 layers here. 1, 2, 3. So plain pearl neck piece with 3 layers here, and the matching earring, the pearl earring. So really pretty. You can just wear only the neck piece and only the earring. So any which ways. This is a really safe jewelry, a very trendy, very stylish jewelry. So yes, I like it. Quite happy with this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a pair of earrings, and these are the pyramid earrings, and it has different shades. This is red, and on the other side dark blue is here. Then we have light blue and dark blue. Okay, so 3 different shades it has. Let me just wear these and show you the look. So this is how it looks. You can just see it's looking really pretty, and these will go perfectly with your Indian, with your Western outfits. And then it has these 3 different shades. One is this red, the other one is this a bluish kind of a shade. The third one is a black or a dark bluish kind of a shade. So yes, I like it. Overall, a good look. And for Indian, for Western, you can just mix and match, and then multiple colors. So very safe, and you can actually wear them on multiple clothes. So that way, yes, I like it. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is a ring, which is this. So this is the shade, and this is perfectly going with my nail color. You can just, so perfect, like same color. Now let me just quickly wear it and show you. This is the look, and yes, it's looking very fashionable, very trendy, very in actually. So yes, happy with this one. The color is very good. I like it. Now that's all what I have received in my Fashitude Mystic box for September month, and you can just see the jewelry is so stunning. But if I have to tell you my favorites, yes, it's very difficult to top, but still let me tell you, this neck piece is just amazing. I love it. Yes, I love chokers and the color is so stunning. So yes, I love it. Absolutely love it. Then the pearl neck piece, the layered one. Yes, it's stunning. The quality is very nice. And yes, I'm a big fan of pearls. So yes, super happy with this one. Then the peacock earrings were super, super, super stunning. Very good. I loved it. Then the party earrings are again very pretty. So yes, happy with this one as well. Then the ring is nice. This pair of earring is nice. So yes, everything is just nice. And 499 rupees, I think it's a good box. And if you ask me, yes, I will totally recommend it because I loved it. And if you like it, you can go ahead and buy your box. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. Plus, I will be attaching a lookbook in the end. So stay connected for that. Now, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.